Hi friends! So we go now to the Hexen Museum, the Museum of Witches. Yeah, and Manfred, he drives. Hi Manfred! And my sweetheart is also here. So we see us. I stand here right before the museum. Yes, and it was built in 2016. And yeah, I don't know much because I won't be surprised. And yes, sadly we cannot record some footage because it's not allowed. And I respect that, of course. And I will do a few pictures because that's allowed. The Hexen Museum in Switzerland is the only one of its kind in the German-speaking part of Europe. The collection includes more than 1,000 exhibits on the subject. Witches also encounter us in everyday life through our language and expressions. Also the witch hunt and the rather unfriendly name of a certain genius of woman with whether witches are still common. When one asks what it's like when it comes to the devil and where the name of Black Peter comes from, you have to go back in time to the witch trials. Much custom is still maintained today, but without knowing the meaning or the origin. Or do you know why we should toast with glasses, wear red underwear on New Year's Day, never open an umbrella in the house, why the black cat allegedly brings calamity, and why we do wish us toy here in Europe? A look into history opens up many contexts, promotes understanding of the emergence of different names and our worldly concept. The Witch Museum was founded in 2009. In 2010, the Witch Museum was included in the WAMUS, Association of Aargau Museums and Collections, and in the official museum guide. For the first 9 years, the Witch Museum was located in Auenstein. In 2016, an extension was added to the museum. Since 2018, it has been located at Liebeck Castle in Grenchen. After the permanent exhibition has been set up in the new rooms, there should also be special exhibitions again from 2020. The exhibits, which are spread over around 200 square meters in the museum, are private collectors or on loan from museums. The Swiss Witch Museum is the first and only museum of its kind in the German-speaking world. It provides information not only about the past history of witches, but also about the witches of modern times. The museum searches in archives and writings for lists of all persons who were executed as witches in Switzerland in order to record them by name and date. Many visitors come to the museum from all over the world in search of their ancestors. The museum is internationally networked with other museums about witches, such as the Salem Witch Museum in Massachusetts, or the Museum of Witchcraft in Cornwall in England. And here was the room that I, of course, had to look at first. A room all about ghosts. Here you can see a few pictures of it. That was also very impressive and also very sad, is that so many names of women, men and even children were to be read who were accused of witchcraft. That means in clear, if one or both parents were in language with the devil, the child or the children were also executed. Yes, guys, not a joke. There was a lot to read, so I have included so many photos. The other rooms were also very interesting, and the tarot machine was also quite funny. Hey guys, yeah, that was amazing, and I've got very great news. In October they will have a special event with a topic that I love the most, about ghosts. And we will go then, of course. And yes, so bye guys.